Hello and welcome to a video on setting the low flow cutoff of your 1200A series device. So your first step is to press the menu button, then press the 4 and the 1 buttons. This will take you to menu window 41, where the low flow cutoff parameter can be edited. Your next step is to input your new value for your low flow cutoff. In my case, I'll be setting my low flow cutoff to 0.3, then pressing the enter button to save the new value. Now to exit the menu, you press the menu button again, then typing in 0 and then 1, and now you will be taken back to the original flow display screen. And with that, we can conclude this video. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following.